Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little bit of an unboxing from our good friend, fellow YouTuber, the godmother of Hardcity RainDrops, the angel in the sky who has literally saved my life. Has purchased me very nice helmets. Now this is an Arai Corsair X and I hand painted it. It's absolutely sick. You guys will see a video on that when it's finished. And the other Arai Corsair X has saved my life. What Elizabeth Wanders does for me and this channel and just the motorcycle community in general is amazing. You should go subscribe to her channel. She just got a GSX-R 600. That is a serious machine. And she has very good insight on that. She's been riding for a long time. She's had a Ninja400. She's had a Sportster 99 something. I don't know. But anyway, the Gixxer is an amazing bike. Congratulations. I swear I can speak. On the new bike. I mean, it's a serious bike and I love it. That's a lot of bike. I'm going to talk to you guys about like what it's like jumping from a 400 to a 600, because there's just like common misconception where people are like, oh, when you get a Ninja 400, then you have to get a, you know, a 650, and then you can maybe get the 600 or the ZX6R, or, you know, maybe you can get, then you can get a 700, then a 750, then an 800. That's not how it works. You know what I mean? Like, people who don't ride motorcycles will tell you that, but like, honestly, just go for a 400 and get a 1000. They drop power modes. It's fine. You'll be fine as long as you can like control the weight, you know, ride the motorcycle safely, you know, be comfortable, confident on it. You don't have to slide and drag knee and do wheelies and all this crazy stuff to be a good rider. That's not what that means. That's like dragging knee on corners, doing 80 through twisties is what like expert level riders do. And not everybody's expert level. So I am not even close to an expert level. I can't even drag my knee. So, but I'm a very good rider, and I know that people are gonna go, oh, you're lane splitting. Lane splitting is what good riders do. Dumb riders stay in traffic and get rear-ended. Anyway, Elizabeth, thank you so much for these, and let's unbox these, guys. I've never seen these in person. They're Dainese Twerk Out 3s. Let's pick a knife though, right? Let's pick a knife, and that's her texting me right now saying Merry Christmas probably, or something. It's early present. Yeah, I have some knives. I used to be a big knife guy. And let's use a little Protec. Oh yeah. Let's Protec it. I just sharpened this one. Do you guys know what's more dangerous, a dull knife or a sharp knife? Answer and explanation in the comments. I'll give you the answer at the end of the video, if I remember. But that knife is really good. So we have some DHL boxing, and then we have our Dainese box. Storm is going to play box because she loves boxes. All right, guys. So I've been really wanting these for a long time. Just so you know, I am 5'9". I'm 5'9", 5'10", like right on that borderline, and I'm 170 pounds. And I usually wear like a size 7.5 or 8. I don't like to get big shoes because I like to small because my feet arch. Anyway, you guys don't care about that, but these are a size 7. And I believe that is a 39 in whatever Dainese's system is. But I've wanted these boots for a long time, and one of the things that brought this on is because I was complaining about these Alpine Star boots in my last video. And these are really good motorcycle riding boots, don't get me wrong. But for the bike that I have has a piece of the suspension that is like a point right here, and right where your heel is, and I always get caught in it right here in this flat. And so it just bothers me a lot. The Velcro isn't great on like anything. Like, I don't know why companies, I mean, these are good boots, don't get me wrong. If you're gonna buy the SMX V2s, you're gonna be fine. You can probably use them for a while. Now my toe box is broken, the toe thing here, it's broke, so I have to get a new one. You can replace these things, like, you know, so these are actually a really good solid street boot, and I'm not gonna hate on them. I actually really like them, but I wanted to get some serious ones. Now these are my TCX. I wear these all the time, and they just dogged. I've actually gotten my accident in these, and you know, so those are those. But I was complaining about it, not necessarily complaining about it, but I was like, man, I really need a pair of new boots. And Elizabeth, being the absolute gem of a human being that she is, She went ahead with like and literally just sent me these and was like, yeah, I just sent you them, pick a color. And I'm like, I don't know how, like I don't know what I did to deserve this. I really don't. So it's hard, like I feel a little weird, but then like all at the same time, it's like, you know, I know she's like wanting to help the channel and also thank you so much. And, yeah, I just don't know what to say. I don't know, you know, I love like people. I'm not the type of person like nobody's ever, I don't know how to react because nobody's ever given me shit. I don't know. Like, I'll probably not even get a Christmas present from anyone. You know what I mean? And, so it means a lot to me that somebody, gives a fuck like that. So, sorry. Oh my God. Or whatever. I'll get like shit. But like, I don't have like any family out here or anything. I'm kind of like on my own. I've been on my own for a while. Just trying to like, I don't know what it is with me. Like, I've just been doing my own thing, man. Like, really trying to focus. So, in any case, I put myself in a position. Like, it's not like people don't give a fuck about me. I just put myself in this position to be away from everyone. So, I'm not going to get Christmas presents, birthday presents. I don't get any of that shit. I didn't have Thanksgiving with anyone. And I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me. This is the life that I choose. Like, my mom and stepfather had come out last weekend after Thanksgiving, and we went to dinner every night, and they went back to Philly. So, it's not like no one gives a shit about me, but like I said, I choose this life. So when somebody does something like this to me, I don't know, I'm just like, why is somebody giving me stuff? Like, I don't know what I've done to deserve it, but thank you so much. So let's open these things up, because that'll make me smile. I'm already smiling. Oh my God, they're so fucking nice already. Wow. Oh. Yo, these are fire. Oh my God, look at these things, y'all. Are you kidding me? Dying easy. Magnesium. They look so sick. I hope they don't turn yellow. That's like the only thing. Dude, these look awesome. And so, one of the things that I didn't like also about the SMX V2s, and I can already tell, like, look at how chunky they are up there, and look at how nice and thin and like clean these look. Like, these are just so sick. And what's cool is there's no like Velcro or anything. There's a zipper in the back, very high quality zipper in the back, and that's how you zipper these bad boys up. And so you get the tissue paper out of here. Some of the features, there's like magnesium here and here, and just really good ankle support. Then you have like inside this thing. I mean, these are Mac Daddy riding boots right here, y'all. Like, no joke. I'm not gonna go out right now and ride in them, but tomorrow you guys will see some riding with these. Right now this is just an unboxing, but oh my God, these are so nice. Torque outs. And you guys will see these on body and on the bike with my outfit tomorrow in tomorrow's video, but this is for tonight, like I said. But my God, thank you so much. Look at the smile. Oh, let's look at the other one. And oh, they're Stormtrooper boots. They're gonna get dirty. I don't care. My outfit on my bike is so fucking sick. Like, my bike fit is fire, y'all. And like, you can't deny my bike fit. Like, it is probably one of the best, I think. I fit up well on the bike. But look at this like system it has, man. These are serious riding boots. Big, nice shifter area here. This side has it too. These are so sick. I love how thin they are. Magnesium. That's a YKK zipper. That's a really good zipper that won't break on you anytime soon, unless you got a faulty one. But there's also some adjustments back here with Velcro to spread them open that I just noticed. So sick. So what you can do also with a boot like this, you can, Stormy, you can hide like a 20 in here too. Like, there's a little spot right here. I've seen, yeah, here it is. You can just hide some money in there. Like, I would do that for sure. There's really nice padding inside here. And one thing that I appreciate too is the way that grip is on the footing. See, because you always, so these boots, I've always found it a little odd the way they did the footing. They work just fine, but like that 100%, like you see how you're gonna twist off that every time you push off the bike when the bike goes, boom. So look at how these boots have this like grip in that area that's just goes like multi-directional, and you could just like really get a nice grip. And also on the foot pegs and everything, because I ride, you know, you're riding on the toes of your feet. And man, these are just so sick. Let's try them on. These are so sick. These are serious riding boots, y'all. Let's check the other one out. So, I just went out there, tested them on the bike. They're gonna get filthy. There's already a shifter mark, but they are a little bit tight. That's a little bit concerning, but storm stop. I don't know if they're gonna stretch out. I think it's just like, they're pretty hard to put on and off, kind of. And well, they're not too hard to get off. They're definitely my size, but man, they are tight. But this one actually feels much better than the other one. But I got a bump right here, like I don't know, a bunion, I guess you would call it. I never had one before, but for whatever reason, I got one now. And yeah, these are really nice. They are a tiny bit tight, and they are gonna definitely get dirty really fast. But I want it white, because that's what my fit is, and I really want it white riding boots. I think if you're gonna do white, these are the only ones really your option. TCX makes some really sick ones too, but I don't know, these Dainese ones they just caught my eye with the zipper in the back. I really like that. And I love the thin profile of them. That was the other biggest thing. I don't like this big chunky. It looks like you're on a dirt bike, you know, and that's kind of what I wanted to avoid. But this looks like this is a proper street bike boot, like, to me. This is a serious riding boot. You got some airflow. I mean, it's got a ton of features. You know, you got your accordion there. And yeah, like I said, tomorrow you guys will see a riding video with these. Oh, by the way, little Allen key. You can replace that. Man, they're sharp. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I mean, I don't know what I do. What do I do, guys? We have to get Elizabeth 1,000 subscribers so she could start making money on YouTube, and that would be really helpful if you guys could go follow her. I'll leave the link for her YouTube channel below. Go check out her new bike. Tell her I sent you and stop in and say hi. But we're gonna hold on to these. I don't want to go through a returning process. I think I'll be fine with these here. Break them in. I mean, motorcycle boots, like, one thing I noticed with these bad boys got loose over time, even more so, and you know, they just break in because you ride in them, you're moving all around, and riding a motorcycle is a lot of work. But these thin profile Dainese boots are sick. They're gonna look sick on my outfit, especially with a Raven Moto hoodie and with the white gloves and just the whole white helmet, the stormtrooper kind of type of look with the white bike with the red. I just love it. But these are on sale, by the way, guys, at like most places, I think, right now too. So if you want to check them out, highly advise you do that. I've been noticing them on sale, and you can get them for like 300 bucks or something like that right now. So not bad. It's probably because they're coming out with something new, Dainese. They're due for a new reiteration of their boots. So I think they're going to be coming out with something new. I'm interested to see how dirty they get, you know what I mean? Because I ride the shit out of my bike, and I'm probably not gonna, I'm still gonna fix the Alpine Stars. I'm gonna order this little piece here, or go get one at Cycle Gear. You can replace it. It's just, it hooks into here, and then you screw it. But the little hook thing, There we go. Inside there is broken. And yeah, but yeah, you got your little set screw there. Take that out when you put the new one in, and you're good to go. But yeah, I'll probably still use them to go to work, these ones as well, and avoid wearing these to work because going in the Tesla, it's very dirty. The building's still under construction. The roads are under construction. There's a lot of dirt and stuff around. I always got to clean my bike after a week of work and come home and clean it because it just gets just nasty, especially if it drizzles or rains and the washout and there's mud all over it. And it's like a thick clay mud too. Like, it's just nasty. And that will get all over these. So I'll try to keep them as clean as I can. But hey, these are riding boots. I knew they were going to get dirty. I didn't want to get black because I've already had black. I wanted to switch it up and get something that is a little bit different and that pops, something that's going to catch people eye, like, oh, that's a motorcycle, you know, instead of just like being pitch black, especially at nighttime. But anyway, big bright white helmet, white bike, white boots. You know, I don't want to go full white outfit, but I do really like what I'm going for. Motorcycle fashion's a thing, man. If you don't want to look good on your bike, then I don't know. Get cool gear, man. Get good gear. You're gonna look like a badass on your motorcycle with these, as compared to some dude rocking some freaking tennis shoes or something. On a Ducati like that, you almost need something like this just to complete the look. So, you know, get some really good gear for these bikes. Man, this is gonna go really good with my Dainese jacket with the titanium or magnesium shoulders, whatever it has up there. Now that I know these are magnesium, I'm kind of thinking them shoulders are magnesium as well. So yeah, guys, that's it. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget about the Raven Moto giveaway for my Instagram. There's a video that explains all that. I'm not going to explain it in this one, but essentially you just kind of go to Instagram, do a couple things over there, send me the proof that you did it, and you are entered to win a full Raven Moto get-up from head to toe, their new Envy gloves, their Ruroc hoodie, a pick of your own jeans, whatever colorway you want, and a pair of their boots. You'll get the full outfit. And that is what I'm giving away on Christmas. So that's only on for Instagram. So go check that out. Follow my Instagram, 2will_moto. Like, share, subscribe if you want to be a Patreon member. There's just so many ways to support the channel. And always just share the video, comment, and like, and all that stuff. And that's also like a really good way to help support the algorithm. You know, the more views, the more likes, the more interactions I have with you guys, the better the channel does. So I appreciate whatever you guys do, and definitely for coming along for this motorcycle journey. It's been a blessing so far, and everything that we do with the bikes in the future, man, is all for you guys. And just this whole journey that just get on a bike and just let it all go and just get out of your mind, get out of the world, get out and just go and ride until you want to turn around, until you're lost. You know, like, you get lost on the bike. Get lost on a bike. That's a good thing. It's a good thing to get lost on your bikes, and do it while you look good. And also, real quick, Raven Moto, use my discount code Hardcity, all caps. That should get you 10% off everything in the store. Don't think they have any other sales right now, but definitely go check out their site because they usually do have some like sales and stuff. And plus, my discount code gives you 10% off, and their gear is awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all. Peace and thank you.